The Dominican Republic is home to some of the most breathtaking beaches on Earth and incredibly rich marine ecosystems. Coral reefs provide habitat for fish, are essential in building beaches and protecting them from erosion, and provide recreational and tourism opportunities. Coral reefs, however, are in grave danger. They are threatened by overfishing, agriculture, coastal development, and climate change. Staghorn coral populations, a major Caribbean reef-building species, have declined over 98% in the last 4 decades. To confront these threats, the Grupo Punta Cana Foundation, with support from the Inter-American Development Bank through the Multilateral Investment Fund, is leading the way with an innovative coral conservation and restoration program. In reef restoration, surviving coral fragments are collected from the wild and grown in underwater nurseries. In addition, the Grupo Punta Cana Foundation has also created the Coral First Aid PADI Specialty Dive Certification, a course designed to involve local fishermen and tourists in current restoration efforts. Countrywide, there are 13 coral nurseries reported. The corals are attached to frames in these nurseries in parts of the ocean with better water quality. Nurseries provide a safe haven for these coral to flourish, and then different methods taught in the course are used to replant them back onto the reef. Over 1,665 meters of coral tissue were being grown at the Punta Cana Coral Nursery alone. Commonly referred to as rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are the lifeblood of the ocean, teeming with beauty and diverse animal species. Restoration activities safeguard endangered coral species and rehabilitate the local ecosystem. Countrywide, over 80 restoration outplant sites have been established, with at least 70 of them in Punta Cana alone. Over 4,500 meters of coral tissue have been transplanted back onto the reef. In 2016, the Foundation's scientists documented for the first time the spawning of these corals at the restoration site, demonstrating some of the achievements of the program. The Grupo Punta Cana Foundation, with partners from University of Miami and Counterpart International, has certified over a dozen local fishermen in reef restoration and educated over 1,000 students and tourism professionals about the work. The Foundation's Reef Protection Program now provides new livelihoods, protects the ecosystem, and supports the tourism industry of the Dominican Republic. Without coral reefs, there would be no beaches, and without beaches, this astounding paradise would cease to exist.